Shocking, iOS 26.1 just dropped and it rewrites your iPhone. Instant action, app gestures are rewritten for speed and fluidity. Privacy overhaul, a system-wide tracker guard blocks background snooping. Messages gets threaded reactions and smarter conversation summarization. Camera upgrade, real-time night HDR and super accurate depth maps. Battery boost, adaptive performance learns your day and saves power. Home screen becomes alive with motion widgets and contextual stacks. Multitasking, true split apps with floating windows on iPhone. Accessibility leaps, voice control learns context and follows intent. Maps offline revolution, full city offline routing and live hazards. Developer tools, seamless AI APIs and privacy-first model hosting. Summary: iOS 26.1 is bold, faster, and privacy-first. Update now.